One of my favorite things, Himalayan bath salts as a gift for yourself or for somebody else that costs very little to make and has just a beautiful, simple purity to it. So I'm going to take 3/4 cup of Himalayan Course Salt. You can see how coarse it is. And Himalayan salt is awesome. It is actually mined in the foothills of the Himalayan Mountains. And because those salt beds were covered by lava, ice, and snow for millions of years, this salt is free of many of our modern pollutants. So this is awesome for your bath. So you're going to put 3/4 cups of the Himalayan salt in there. Now, I just want to say about the bath salt, they're awesome in your bath water for reducing fatigue, stress, aches and pains. It increases your feelings of calmness. It's awesome. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to put 5 drops of lavender essential oil. And don't forget, essential oils are from the plant. You're going to mix that up, and essential oils, the lavender essential oils is also something that helps you with sleeping issues, helps manage stress, aching muscles, anxiety, and it has a beautiful soft fragrance. So you're going to put that in a little jar with a lid on it and a bow. And then you're left with a beautiful gift for yourself or for somebody else, and this will cost you less than $20, and it'll give lots of joy in your bath water. So one of my favorite things, lavender, your own creation, lavender essential oil bath salts. You have a great day.